Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. As many of you may or may not know, recently I had a car accident where I was rear-ended at a red light. There are three modes of damage to the vehicle. The first mode was body damage to some of the metal panels on the rear of the vehicle. The second mode was some of the parts were broken and those parts need to be replaced. And the third part was the exterior bumper cover was scratched and gouged and cracked. So that will need to be repaired and painted. So this video is the first of a three-part series. And in this video, we will show you the repair of the structural or body damage portion of the vehicle. Now the actual Uni-Body is right here. You can see how I pushed that in. So it's mainly just this bottom portion needs to go down, and then this portion here is going to be pressed out with the hydraulic cylinder. Okay, so we're going to try to do the major push in the middle of this primary dent here. Got the little 4-inch hydraulic cylinder lined up. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and give it a few pumps. I'll let you guys watch as we take the pump and put a little bit of movement on that and see what we can get in terms of before and after on the on this dent here. So let's look in here and let's give it a few pumps. There we go. And let's see how it comes out here too. You can actually see it moving and coming out. See what it's looking like inside. Yeah, we've got about 1.5 inches cylinder there. And then we can get more precise. It's coming out quite nicely. Okay, so we're going to relieve the pressure now, see where we're at, and see where we should put our next pressure point. But it's starting to look very nice. Okay, we have our cylinder lined up again for a second small push. We're going to be pushing directly behind this sticker, this little white sticker. So let's see how this goes. I want to pull it out about 1/2 inch. So let's see if we can see that move out. Pumping now. Looking good. And that's about it. It may be a nice small nudge later, but for now we'll leave it there. And we have one other small space right here to the left. Right here, we're going to pull that out a little bit more, and I think we'll be good. Okay, so this will be our third and final push. I think everything will be lined up pretty good. The deck lid now latches fine. It lined up after that second push. So I'll let you watch me push this one out about 3/8 of an inch. Okay, the back wall is fairly straight and I'm happy with it. We do have a couple of places that we need to straighten on the floor. I'll show you those shortly. We're going to correct those with a square and maybe a round dowel. We'll see. We'll hammer those down after we warm them up. We did actually straighten the engine lid latch, so that now closes. No problem now, so that's a good thing. So the only thing we have left is these two places in the back, and I'll show you those now. One is here. It's a little bit high. Okay, see if we can focus on that. We have a high spot here and a high spot here. So we're going to warm those two up and gently tap them back in. much better. Now we'll do the one on the inside, up against the wall there in the corner, and we'll be done. Okay, you're going to get the inside view on this one. I'm going to heat it up, and then I'm actually going to use a handle here because it has a round end. Okay, so I'm going to use this handle to pound it in, and a much smaller hammer, caulking hammer. So let's get that warmed up. Into compliance, we're going to be hitting this area right here. And it should be kind of easy to get it to line up nicely. And it looks pretty good to me. There you have it. Now, on to repairing and painting the bumper cover.